In triangle ABC, angle C is a right angle. Find the value of the trig function indicated. So anytime that you're given this type of information, I would suggest that you first draw a right triangle. It's not going to be to scale, and honestly, that's really not a big deal. The important thing is that if you have the tangent of A, you need to label all of your sides correctly in order to figure out the tangent of A. So it says angle C is the right angle. So the other angles, it doesn't matter which one's A and which one's B, but if A is here, then side A, lowercase a, is here. If angle B is here, then side B is over here. And if angle C is here, then this is side C. So side C is opposite of angle C. So it tells us that side B is the square root of 17. So this side is the square root of 17. And then C is 9. So this is 9. So the angle that we're looking to find the tangent of is A. So it's essentially like saying, hey, focus on this angle, or before that's where we would put a theta. So if we want the tangent of A, that means that tangent is opposite, so this side is the opposite, over adjacent, so this side is the adjacent side. So since we only have these two sides, we need to first figure out the value of this side, the length of side A, and then we can evaluate the tangent of A. So let's use Pythagorean theorem. So that means that A squared plus B squared, so the square root of 17 squared, equals C squared, or 9 squared. So that means A squared plus, well, the square root of 17 times the square root of 17 is 17, and then 9 squared is 81. So to solve for A, we're going to take away 17. So A squared equals 81 minus 17 is 64, and therefore A equals 8. So this side is 8. And now we are able to evaluate the tangent of angle A. So the opposite over adjacent would be 8 over the square root of 17. We don't want to leave a radical in the denominator, so we are going to rationalize it and multiply the top and the bottom by that root 17. Therefore, we would get 8 root 17 over 17. This is not going to simplify any further, so that would be our final answer.